of the tahanan, the home for the elderly, I would like to thank each and every one of you. Na-appreciate ko yung concern ninyo, especially for the elderly. Alam niyo kami yung forgotten people matatanda. Lalo na po, hindi na kami pinakikinabangan. Kami na nakikinabang sa inyo. And yet, kung minsan, masyado pa kaming needs. Pagpasensyahan na ninyo kami. I do not like to pray that you will grow as old as we are. Because to be as old as we are has its limitations. Kagaya ko, marami akong gustong gawin, hindi ko na magagawa. Sana this is not the last time we will see each other.
Promise po yan.
Promise po.
Yun lang pagpunta ninyo dito, malaking bagay na sa amin kasi yung naaalala kami, lalo na matatanda, masyadong sentimental. Pag hindi naalaala ng mga anak, umiiyak yun, tinatago ang luha. Darating din kayo dyan. Kanya, I pray that tatandaan kayo, hindi kayo darating dun sa age na pagsasawaan na kayo ng mga bata. Masakit yun masakit yun. Lalo na kaming matatanda, ang dami naming needs, kulang sa pansin. Sana hindi na kayo makarating dun. Pag dumating kayo dun, umiiyak na lang kayo mag-isa wherever you are. I hope you will not reach that age. Enjoy while you are young and enjoy it to the fullest. But don't forget, everything that you have, everything that you are enjoying is from Him. You are not entitled to that. But in His generosity, He has given you life, joy, happiness, companionship, etc., which you should share. Yung feeling ng matanda na kagaya ko, na maraming pagkukulang na gustong gawin na hindi na magawa, sana hindi na kayo makarating doon. So while you are strong and able, do what you can. And yun namang hindi na nakakayanan ang lumigaya because of kulang kami sa pagmamahal. Alam ba ninyo yan? Companionship, pagmamahal, at saka kulang sa pansin. I have to end it here. Marami pa akong gusto sasabihin. Hinihingal na ako So anyway, thank you very, very much for your thoughtfulness, for your generosity, for your prayers, and your good wishes, and remembering us. Thank you very much.